Hi, and welcome to Google Sheets 10 essential tips for using Google Sheets in the Google Workspace environment. My name is Allison Malika. You can learn more about me at allisonmalika.com if you would like to hire me for training, or if you have any questions or need assistance with any of the related materials, just email me at allison@edtrekkers.com. In this webinar series, we have a series of playlists, a playlist with a series of videos, and we'll address things, just some simple things in Google Sheets, like how to select all, how to do some basic editing, change your views by resizing columns, the difference between sort and filter, do some conditional formatting, splitting text into columns. So if you have a column of text with several like words like first name and last name, how to split that up. Variety of new insert options that are a lot of fun, wrapping text for viewing, doing some basic calculations, and then working with charts in pivot tables. In this tutorial, we're also going to be using a Sheets template. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get started with that template.